Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody, how are you? Hi, this is Mehak and welcome back to my channel. This is the very easy 10 minutes quick and easy look that I created for you guys, and this is like, if you're in a rush and you go to work every day, so this is like really easy and everyday full coverage makeup look, and it's nice and glowy for the summer, and I really love it. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. And hi guys, so this is I'm just moisturizing my face with St. Ives face cream, and I'm just putting that on my hands as well. That was just my daughter right there. Now I'm just going to put this Poreblem Primer, and this is really good. I really like it. It fills out your primer and gives a really smooth skin for your foundation. So it's really nice and smoothing. I really like it, and I just picked it up from Sephora. I'm using this foundation by Cliniqui in a golden bronze shade, and it comes with the doe foot applicator. I really like the applicator, and it's full coverage, like really full coverage foundation. I'm using this beauty blender to blend it out. I'm just going to use this concealer by Colorpop, and in the shade medium. I'm just going to cover all those dark circles and I'm just going to blend it out with the beauty blender, and yeah, I really like this concealer and the foundation, and it's really full coverage for everyday mommy makeup, and if you're going to work every day, and so it's really full coverage. Everyday 10 minutes makeup. It literally takes me 10 minutes to do this makeup. And I'm just using this NYX HD banana powder for under my eyes, and I'm just going to put on my under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin, and rest of the face I'm going to powder with the Sephora powder. And I'm just going to use this blushes from Tarte, and I really like this blush palette. My sister gave it to me as a gift last year. It was last year, or maybe the last year. So I really like that blush palette. It's really good, and I really like Tarte blushes in general. I'm using this Becca highlighter. I really love this highlighter. Whenever I want to go on a glowy highlighters, I always use this. I really want to pop it on. You see the shine, like really blinding one. I really love it. I'm just going to put that on my nose. I'm just going to blend it out, and my high points of my cheeks. I'm just going to do my eyebrows using Sally Hansen eyebrow pomade. And yeah, this brow pomade is really good. Now I'm just going to put a little more blush, because I wasn't thinking maybe it's not blushy enough. I'm just going to contour this using this contour powder by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to make that face. And I'm just going to contour hollows of my cheeks, if I have any. I'm just going to pretend I do. And yeah, I'm just going to lightly contour my nose, and I'm just going to put this eyeliner by Lottie London. I really like this eyeliner. It's really comparable to Anastasia and Kat Von D eyeliners, and it's really nice and really dark and black. I really like it, see, and it's one and done. And this is really like quick mommy makeup or everyday makeup, like if you're going out for shopping and you only have like 5-10 minutes to do your makeup. So that's what I usually do when I don't have much time in my hands. And so you can do the same thing. So yeah, I really like this liner, and you can do like line your eyes real quick. I'm just going to put this Becca highlighter in inner corners, and it just gives the highlighted look for the inner corners. You know, since my inner corners are kind of dark, so I always use like brightening highlighter. You don't have to do the eyeliner, like give the wink. You can just eyeline your eyes, or you can just leave it. I like to do eyeliner. I cannot do eyeliners. And I'm just going to give a little dimension to my eyes, and yeah, I'm just going to use that bronzer shade, the contour shade from Wet n Wild palette, and I'm just using that powder for my brow bone. And yeah, that's about it for the eyes. And I'm just going to use this mascara by Essence. It's really nice, and it really gives me the volume, not the length too so much, but the volume. And I'm just going to put this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm using this Benefit mascara. They are Real Mascara. I really like the small tube. It's really nice. I love this combination for my lashes. I'm just using this lipstick by Sephora. It's their matte creamy lipstick. I really like this shade. It's like calling summer. It's really nice and peachy shade. You can wear it just like that. I'm just going to put the gloss on top of it. It's this lip gloss by Makeup Revolution. I really like this lip gloss. It's like really full coverage. You can just wear the lip gloss alone, or you can top it off over the lipstick, or you can just wear the lipstick alone. It's up to you, whatever shade. This is the shade I'm going for, and that's the completed look. I'm just going to grab my scarf, and yeah, this is the completed look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And you can do, you know, a little more or less according to your liking. This is my take on the everyday makeup look. So this is my routine. That's what I do usually when I'm going out, just like that, you know, for shopping, and just with my husband. And if I don't have time, I really have to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.